Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're working on the Kubota tractor. I've got a Kubota L3200 HST hydrostat. I've been having trouble with the pedal. There's a safety switch on the pedal, and I think they call it the return pedal problem or return pedal position. It's not wanting to go back, and it's because my safety switch is loose. I've left it like that. I guess you'd call it for security reasons. These tractors, any key can work, any Kubota key can work in these tractors. But if you don't know that the safety switch isn't working, you can put any key you want to in it and it still won't start like mine. So we're going to solve that problem because I'm tired of jacking with the safety switch. But down low, if your tractor is it'll run just fine, it'll start up, and then when you go to move it, a lot of times that safety switch will get off balance, won't be in the correct spot. It's a really easy fix. It's just kind of a tight space to get down into, but I'm going to do my best to show you how to fix that problem. Okay guys, like I said, we're in a pretty tight spot. I do have some help filming so that hopefully I can show everything. I'll use my fingers as best I can to point out, but this is going to be your safety switch. Mine is loose. It goes up and down. A lot of times to adjust these, it just takes some spinning. I can't get a good point to it, but you can see where there is a little nut. It looks kind of like a washer, but it's a nut, and it lengthens and shortens this safety switch so that it can get better contact. There is a sweet spot on that, and this one I'm not going to have to do any adjustments there. Mine is actually just loose right here, which there's a nut on the other side of that I can tighten up. But like I said, there's some adjustments to be made up and down here just by turning this. But all I'm going to have to do is tighten up the outside bolt, and I may have to adjust camera angles to show what the pedal does to actually come in contact with that. So bear with me for just a minute. So push down on the forward pedal. Okay, and let go of it. It's already gotten out of whack. Push down on the forward pedal again. Okay, let go of it. Okay, okay, so when you push down on the forward pedal on the tractor, you'll see back behind, golly, this is tough to show. Back behind this plunger, there you'll see a metal, I wouldn't call it a metal rod, but it's going to come up and down and miss that plunger. And it should be coming in contact with that plunger. When we adjust this thing forward and backward, okay, now try it. Can you push it forward? Okay. Okay, so that plunger should come in contact with the metal platform, and to do that, we're going to push forward on the pedal and hold it, and then move this into place. Okay, let go of it. Okay, let's try that again. Release. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear this on camera, but another good indication, you'll hear a click when it comes in contact with that plunger. So go ahead and do it. Maybe we can hear it. Release. Alright, that's it. I just need to get this bolt tightened up right here that you can see right there. Just can you shine the light in here and make sure my, yeah, okay. So guys, that finishes this video. I hope this was helpful if you're having a problem with your safety switch engaging while your hydrostat tractor is in forward or reverse. I just used a 12mm socket on that nut to tighten things down. I'd say it just loosened up over time with some use of the machine. But thanks for watching, and again, hopefully this was helpful, and we'll see you on the next video.